Hello, my name is Natalie. Welcome to my channel Diamond Painting by Nat. And in this video, I would like to show you my completed diamond painting, Red Barn, from ARTMINDS. So this kit has been purchased online at Michael's store. It was relatively cheap. The original price of this kit was $14. I purchased it for $10 and then it went on sale to $7.50. The name of the kit is Red Barn and it is from a new company, ARTMINDS, that is sold solely at Michael's for now. So this is a full round drill diamond painting kit. The size is 40 by 50 centimeters. The kit came with 25 colors. All the drills are plastic ones. But as you have probably noticed, I did enhance this kit with the AB diamonds from Diamond Dots, specifically with white color. I also replaced two more colors with AB diamonds, specifically yellow one and pink one. So in total, I replaced three colors: white, pink, and yellow. And I also added a few crystal accents here on the window, yellow ones, to show the illumination. Technically wise, it was a pleasure to diamond paint it. The canvas is perfect. I liked it even more than Diamond Dots one, and you know the Diamond Dots is my most favorite diamond painting company. The canvas is really very similar, woven polyester. The only difference with this one is that it straightened up right away. The adhesive is a port glue, also very sticky, didn't have any problem with this. And the diamonds themselves are of a very good quality. There were maybe one or two that I tossed away of all, so there were no damaged drills. Again, maybe one or two. And I can't even say that it was damaged. There was just plastic extension on the side. That's it. I could have just taken it away, but I didn't because, again, 99.9% of diamonds were of a perfect quality. The only difference, of course, if we compare, for example, with Diamond Dots, the diamonds are not as, how to say, it's a very weird description, but if you worked with Diamond Dots, drills, you would have noticed that they are absolutely different from AliExpress ones and from other companies. As to Diamond Dots drills, they are fuller, they are thicker, they are heavier, if it is possible to say so, they are taller, and they are more faceted. As to the drills in this kit, they're just standard, like standard good quality AliExpress drills. They are not as faceted as Diamond Dots, For instance, just compare the pink ones, and all the rest. You see, you can't even see the facets. They are thinner and they feel emptier than diamond dots. But again, they just really very good quality standard drills. That's how they are different from dots. But again, if you never worked, for example, with diamond dots before, you would love the drills. Really, very nice quality drills. But this is technique-wise. So technique-wise, everything was perfect. As to the final result, I do not believe that this company has a team of artists that works on their kits. I do understand that all the companies, including Diamond Dust, for instance, use computer programs to generate designs into diamond paintings. But after that, at least Diamond Dust has the team of artists that work on the designs that we already turned into diamond paintings to make them less pixelated. As to this one, I don't believe this is the case, because for me, it could have looked way more detailed if the artists worked on it after it being generated to diamond painting. It looks fine. I can say that it looks bad. No, it looks fine to me, but it could have looked better. Again, if the artists worked on it a little bit. But in any case, I like how it turned out. I can't say that I'm carried away by the beauty of it. It's fine, it's nice, it's worth the price. I already purchased the frame for it at Michael's, so I'm going to frame it and show you how it looks framed. Stay with me. And I also would like to show you a few kits that my daughter completed, also from Diamond Dot. The first one is Dove of Peace. This is the original, and that's how my daughter completed it. We replaced the blue plastic drills with crystals, and the white ones originally were the AB diamonds. This is Christmas wreath. This is the original. Again, we replaced a few colors with crystals. Really nice diamond painting, although we haven't framed it yet. And the last one is this cute little penguin. This is actually a pillow. I didn't even know that. And the same thing, we just replaced a few colors with crystals. That's how they look. And that's how the diamond painting looked framed. I purchased the frame also at Michael's. There was a sale, buy one get one free. So this is one of the frames that I purchased. It is brown. I don't remember the price. I think it was like $30 one. So in the end, I paid $15 per each, since the second one was free. And that's how it looks. And I forgot to mention that I have a lot of diamonds left. Look, there's some that I haven't even opened yet. I guess I have enough for another picture. So this company put a lot of extra drills, almost, I don't know, 50%, even more than that. Actually, it looks better framed. So in any case, if you were contemplating on whether to purchase the keys from this company or not, here's the result. And just decide for yourself whether you like it or not, and either purchase it or not. But taking into consideration the price, original is $15. It is not expensive at all, and it looks pretty decent. Actually, now looking at it framed, I like it. It looks kind of 3D, right? I like it. And I will start working on a different diamond painting kit, and this is the progress of my current beaded cross stitch kit. Not much. This is all for today. Thank you so much for watching, and see you soon.